What I've done here is for the first car screech, I've automated the level. So there is no reverb applied to either of these tracks yet. We are just hearing Screaming Tire 1 and Screaming Tire 2. Once more. So the idea now is to engage the artificial reverb processor. Turn that on, Command click, and I will send from the first Screaming Tire to this auxiliary, which will engage the reverb here. Now what is important for this to work, to create the illusion of distance, is that we use pre-fader send. By default, when you use a send, you will not have pre-fader, pre-lit up. So we need to have pre-fader send enabled. As described in class before, when pre-fader send is engaged, it makes a copy of the signal from this channel, and it will ignore the automation of that channel's level using in pre-fader send mode. So it makes a copy of the signal from this channel, and it goes out the send. And that means that the audio level, the level for this track, will not affect the actual level going out of this send. It's this way that we can better create the illusion of distance and perspective.